PTSD symptoms are generally divided into symptoms that are kind of intrusive and symptoms that are avoidant.
The main complaint she brings to the therapy is that she thinks she always chooses the wrong partner and has relational problem.
About anxious attachment, that's the part, the little girl part that shows up when she's in the relationship. But in general, yeah, she is definitely avoidantly attached. Choosing, we tend to like look for our unfinished business sometimes, and we tend to look for certain things that feel familiar. Do the work with her. Like, what could you have done differently? What do you feel like you should have done differently? That's going to help restore the self-compassion that, was achieved from the first round of therapy. And so what if she even tried to have orgasms? She was trying to make the best of it, but she went into the mode that she's used to going into, which is not just freeze, but please.
These cases can happen to all of us, right? We may do, first round of therapy very well, and then we may, make a mistake or